Swahili TV UG online YouTube channel lizoba byenyini nebiro ebiro mukaga nebiro mukaga byenyini byokwezi kwa mushanju 2026 webale kuba uchala Swahili TV UG kandi webale kuba uchat following kulungi munonga na umwami Elijah edakika zenyini zaba ashatu nemwe ezalaba musha ishatu zakasheshe elizoba kandi nkamande ngabulijo nimbalira mu ebintu ebikuba birabiremo mu wiki yona mostly bija kubanza na State of the Nation address I President Museveni yabase kuba nalgayo na clarifying kulungi na agamba nti bali kumweta akasaja akagamba abanyayuganda musazemu anyeta kashija bit kandi ulikuza kwija will not allow such kind of act kandi akamugamba kulungi yagamba Muhozi will not allow such kind of acts. President Museveni akaba very tough yagamba Miriam Matembe yabiri na Jamukoti was lamping but yamaze kufuna bail lamping stopped kugenda no chumba jela kukemerera. By the way, President Museveni akabasa kubana asheka no kusheka abujela ngu this woman akagenda mukoti na arabit kandi bamaze kuma bail yashemererwa kandi tuleba the same time Miriam Matembe akalegeya ashaba yagamba President Museveni by the way akaleta kizambe cyo mubibuli echa Cain and Abel yachikolesa kulungi wale amala yagamba tikandi nyewe President Museveni muganyire ya forgiven him and his son because they don't know what they are doing. Bitcard ubakwezewa bembaja kulekayo mu nkomo. President Museveni akabasa kuba nalgaye kenyini nagamba kintu cha Dr. Miriam Matembe nagamba nti mchalo gwa kabana Jamukoti na alimpinga Bitcard byamaze omusango kumutikoza biru byo kulimpinga yabireka yagamba actually President Museveni akaseka no kuseka yagamba nti Uganda we need peace. Still akargayo President Museveni yagamba issue ni yemu yagamba issue ya akargayo yagamba issue ya opposition kurgayo no taja kulaira yagamba imwe mwemera mugamba taja kulaira. Do you know what it means? Yagamba that one violates peace. President was very tough mu speech ye yasobole kuba nakola joba niko sendi mibiri niko solotolo niko ruchiga no runyankole ati obo subasa kuba no rugaye kandi ogamba atakuza kulaira muntu kugamba atakuza kulaira ine mbundu aine tanka aine buchikwato chona ati ono ogamba muntu uza kulaira tine ni chuini no mnyafe tugwini yezo nzo songe zikutarabanisa Uganda yitu hano akagaya gamba yono ogamba tabuja kulaira still yagaye kandi yagamba issue ya Kampala yagamba imwe abugamba tujja kose kibuga tujja kocha kibuga tugenda kuchocha yagaye yagamba iwe nogambi kibuga if you want to go to heaven you continue talking about it. That's what the president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni said. I love you my president for sure. I love your acts ngole yawe ninjigonza muno agamba the heaven is waiting for you if you want ngoyagala kocha kibuga. Kiswahili TV